Okay, it's a nice day, but I've been in the sun a while, so I've now retired to my hammock. So I'm going to chill here, read my Kindle. I've already done the obligatory beer. She'll do a few more later, of course. And yeah, just gonna hang here, literally. My wee camp. It's very good. No chavs, no housing estate under canvas. It's pleasant. It's about 16 degrees. It's May, so stayed in the sun too long. You will get burned after a few hours. Already done a cliff walk today, which was nice, between Sheringham and Cromer. And done the obligatory Lidl run. There's a Lidl in Cromer, so have a meat fest tonight. Barbecue, we fire going. It shall be good. And I shall sit and read for a couple of hours before doing that. Ready a nice snack, so I'm good. So yeah, this is what camping should be like. Not listening to other people's bad choice of music, screaming children, barking dogs. Yeah, that's hell. This is a wee bit better.